Wow! It's a new toy. It's a die-cast excavator. Let's open. Remote control is this one. The excavator. Oh no, something is happening. Aha! Brother, where's the screw and the berry?
Ha ha ha, here I come.
Wow! Screw. Berries.
I'll open it for you. Here I go. I'll just put this thing here and then twist, twist, twist. Easy. Look. Look on how I'm doing it. Just put the screwdriver here and then turn it to the left. Because the left is where you take the screw to make it loose. See? I now have it. I'll put it inside the dump truck. Let's open it. No batteries. Oh.
Okay, oh, those are the unloot berries. Let's put it in.
Oops, I dropped it.
Haha, it was a mistake, guys. Now, let's close it. My brother had help at putting screw.
Oh, can you please just wait there.
It's just
Put it here, and then this one put it
should
there.
be pushed.
I'll take the screw.
Screw is inside there.
Wait, I can't get it. Oh, there. Ha 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 ha.
Now,
Let's put it back. First, we just need to straighten the screw, and then we can twist it so it'll be, oh boy, this is harder than I thought it would be.
it is.
Alright, it's back off. Oh, now there's a light. Let's try remote controlling it. Oh boy, no batteries. Might be here. Might be no batteries in this. Now, I'll just take the
We are
screwdriver.
going to read the instructions. The instructions is in here.
Okay.
Ah! You need to slide it. Wait. There's a screw.
I'll take it, please. I'll just unscrew it.
Okay. We are just going to take it in the jiffy. And we have taken it.
Here. This is a different battery thingy. What's this? I think this is the battery. Whoa, the charger. Oh, there we go. Now let's just put it here. Let's clean up the mess. Bye-bye, unneeded things. Okay, now we just have to put this thing on to the thingy.
Point those pins into the holes of the battery charger. We are pointing it to the holes.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Oh no.
oh, yeah. We're just going to do it in a jiffy. Oh,
Ow, what's happening here?
what's happening? Okay, brother, can you give it to me?
Oh, there.
There it is. Yeah.
Now we just have to put it here that it won't bother. Okay, put it there. Slide it to the excavator. Now, can you give me a screw? Screw, thank you. Now, we put the screw here.
Over the hole. Let's fire in the hole with the screwdriver.
Alright, let's go. And tighten it in.
Tiny in it.
And
It's done.
there you have it, guys. Now, let's turn it on.
Wow.
Over here.
Now it's blinking.
Okay, let's try it.
Wow.
Get me something to scoop. Scoop the door. Get me something to scoop.
Let's get something to scoop. We're going to get something to scoop, guys.
Wait there, guys. My brother's gonna get something. Let's party. Press this button. He's not doing anything. It's just him. See? Not pressing any button. She wanted to turn it off.
It's the show off.
Let's make it turn. Oh yeah. Now do you have something for me to scoop? There. Where? Oh, put it.
It's in styro part.
I'm gonna take it. Okay. Oh,
Oops, we missed it.
oh, it's walking away. Come back here, no?
Okay, we'll be back in the chicken. Is the styro.
Oh, again. It's bent. Where is it?
Hey, hey, hey.
Okay, put it.
Fetch.
Oh, yeah. I will definitely take it.
Oops. We missed it.
Oh boy, it's getting away. No, just put it inside the claw. Come on. No, come here. Come to me.
Come to Papa, Mr. Styro.
Ah!
Okay, we'll just putting it in here. Oops, he's trapped.
Bruh. Oh, where's the dump truck?
Dump truck, come in here. No.
Okay.
Gonna push the dump truck. Oops.
Ah!
Okay, we are gonna dump it.
Dump it.
Oops. Now it's in the floor.
Attack!
Now let's try.
This is the end of our video. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. We're going to put it on 9 minutes.
Let's party.
Oh yeah.
Not doing anything.
Haha. Bye bye guys. See you later. Bye bye.
Subscribe.